Hello everyone, my name is Ajmerdeen and today we are going to cover up the fifth and last part of this scenario of audit subject for intermediate and final. So I have covered up entire solutions of the questions which are issued by the institute in their sample questions. So further, apart from this video, you can also read apart from all the questions which have been given by the institute, other questions, extra MCQs are there in my page. So the link is given in the description box. You can always do visit there, and I will keep on updating those multiple choice questions for May 2019 and onwards examination there for all the subjects and in the same link. So the link is given in the description box. Rather than that, this video is particularly about the final course. I have selected all the questions which are completely regarding the final course and not for the intermediate. So let us begin with it without wasting any time. First of all, when is the evidential matter generally considered sufficient in case of stock exchange member audit? So in that case, when it is enough to provide a basis for giving reasonable assurance regarding truthfulness, in that scenario option number C would be the correct answer. When we have the enough for a basis of giving reasonable assurance. Next, it is the scope of audit of depositories should be communicated from auditor's report and engagement letter. So in that scenario, not from the representation letter. So in this case, option number B would be from a correct answer, because you can communicate your scope of audit of depositories through auditor's report and engagement letter. You can define them in the engagement letter. And next question is, which of the following information should a successor auditor obtain during the inquiry of the predecessor auditor before accepting engagement? So of course he needs to inquire about how the management is. So point number 1, which is information about integrity of management, and point number 2, which is disagreement with the management concerning auditing procedures. These 2 points are very relevant when we are communicating with the preceding auditors. So in that case, option number A would form a correct answer. First and second point are the things which should be with the information which successor auditor should inquire about. Next, it is question number 18, which is in an investigation relating to possible misappropriation of cash. So in that, this is a very practical scenario which has been given in this question number 18. So what happened in an investigation related to possible misappropriation of cash? The cashier says that every day the cash is counted and reviewed by the finance head, but when you took out the specimen review about the daily cash summaries, it was not signed off by the finance head. In that situation, as an auditor, you should extend your investigation procedures, like inquiring with the finance head, reviewing the appropriate daily cash summaries, etc. So option number B would be the correct answer. We cannot say the cashier is telling a lie, or we cannot say the finance head is not a responsible person, or irrelevant cash summary is completely irrelevant for the investigation. We should extend our investigation process. Next, it is question number 19, which says current period adjustments. It is talking about consolidated financial statements, and it says current period adjustments are those adjustments that are made in the accounting period for which the consolidated financial statement is done. Option number C would form a correct answer. And current period adjustments include intra-group adjustments, and that's all for this. And next, it is question number 21. Mr. D, a chartered accountant in practice, availed a loan, but the checks which he paid was bounced. So he is professionally he's having misconduct on that scenario, and which clause it falls under? It is option number D. He is guilty of misconduct under clause 2 of part 4 of first schedule, because this is called as moral turpitude, and his checks are bounced, and therefore it falls under option number D. Next, it is question number 22, which says an auditor appointed under 44 AB of Income Tax Act, under which clause of form 3CD you will report the amount deemed to be profit and gain under section 32AC, 33AB, 33ABA or 33AC. So this is clause number 24. That means option number A would be the correct answer. Clause number 24 would form the appropriate place where the amounts of deemed profit should be reported. Next is question number 23, which says as per CARO 2016, the auditor is required to report whether the company is required to be registered under section 45 IA of RBI. So in this scenario, you need to report such a thing in the clause number 16 of paragraph number 3. Therefore option number B would be the correct answer. So thank you very much for watching all this series of audit subject. I will keep on updating them for the other subjects as well. For the audit and other subjects, more extra MCQs apart from the what given by the ICI are there in my page. So you can visit my page blog. The link is given in the description box. Thank you very much for watching.